Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, let's discuss the endpoint snap and midpoint snap. At the command line, I'm going to type L for line. Going to make our line 20. Okay, so let's say I want to draw another line, but I wanna be able to snap to the end here and then at the midpoint here. So at the command line, let's type O snap, enter. Make sure you're on your object snap tab, and we're going to click on endpoint and midpoint. Notice your endpoint will have a shape of a square and your midpoint will have a shape of a triangle. Let's press OK. We're going to type line one more time, and here we see a green square indicating the endpoint snap. So we're going to snap to that by just clicking, and we're going to make our line 5, let's say, and we're going to repeat the command. And we have the same endpoint snap here. I'm going to snap to it, and we're going to make that 5. And now we're going to we're going to press enter to repeat the command line. And now we're clicking at the midpoint, and now we have a triangle indicating the midpoint snap here. But do notice you can click anywhere near the midpoint here, and this midpoint snap will highlight. Okay, so we're going to draw our line here. Let's make it, let's just make it 5. Why not? Okay, so if for any reason you don't want to have your snaps on anymore, like you're drawing different shapes, you don't want your snaps, what you could do is come down to the bottom of your screen here, the bottom right, and click on this snap or this object snap icon right here, which is a square with another square at the top left. So just click that, and if you try to draw any other shape or a line, your snaps will not be will not show up. If you want to turn it back on, you could just come here, click that, or you can use F3. Press F3 on your keyboard and it will turn back on. So I just used F3. Okay. So now let's make sure that this is actually the midpoint and we didn't somehow goof or mess this up. So the entire length is 20, and let's see, let's snap to my endpoints here, and that is 10. And there you have it, folks. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.